English word of the day for Filipino IELTS students. Quintessential. Quintessential. Ang quintessential ay combination ng quint, meaning five, and essence o pinakadiwa, esensya ng isang bagay, plus ang English suffix na al meaning related to or pertaining to a particular thing or person. Quintessential. Ang quintessential ay isang adjective na naglalarawan sa pinaka-perpekto, pinaka-tipikal, pinakakaraniwan o pinakadalisay na halimbawa o representasyon ng isang bagay. Ito ang una nating halimbawa. For me, Henry Cavill is the quintessential Superman. Nang ibig sabihin ay, sa opinion ko, pag sinabing Superman, si Henry Cavill yon dahil siya ang best na kumakatawan o nagre-representa sa character na Superman. For me, Henry Cavill is the quintessential Superman. Para sa akin, si Henry Cavill ang pinaka-perpektong Superman. Next, we have, a classic red rose is the quintessential symbol of love. A classic red rose is the quintessential symbol of love. Ang isang klasikong pulang rosas ang pinakasimbolo ng pag-ibig. Turkey is the quintessential Thanksgiving dinner item. Turkey is the quintessential Thanksgiving dinner item. Turkey ang pinakapangunahing pagkain sa hapunan kapag Thanksgiving. She is the quintessential example of a hardworking student. She is the quintessential example of a hardworking student. Siya ang pinakamabuting halimbawa ng isang masipag na mag-aaral. Rice is the quintessential staple food of Filipinos. Rice is the quintessential staple food of Filipinos. Kanin ang pinakapangunahing pagkain ng mga Pilipino. Eiffel Tower is the quintessential symbol of Paris. Eiffel Tower is the quintessential symbol of Paris. Ang Eiffel Tower ang pinakatipikal na sagisag ng Paris. Scrabble is the quintessential word board game. Scrabble is the quintessential word board game. Scrabble ang pinakakaraniwang word board game. Music is the quintessential part of the road trip. Music is the quintessential part of the road trip. Ang musika o ang tugtog ay pinakatipikal na bahagi ng biyahe. The sound of church bells ringing is quintessential on a Sunday morning. The sound of church bells ringing is quintessential on a Sunday morning. Ang tunog ng kampana ng simbahan ay karaniwan kapag linggo ng umaga. The quintessential pastime of rich and famous women is a day at the spa. The quintessential pastime of rich and famous women is a day at the spa. Ang pinakatipikal na pampalipas oras ng mayayaman at kilalang kababaihan ay isang araw sa spa. Ngayon ay alam na nating gamitin with confidence ang beautiful word na quintessential. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or share it with your friends. Salamat po!